You know, when I came into Next Level Firms, I did not expect so many people to be as active as they are and to feel like more of a family. When you've operated your business for years by yourself, and you were the person that had to make all of the decisions, and you were the person that had to come back with all of the correct answers for clients and for staff and for everyone in your family, you know, it's refreshing to know that if I don't know something, if I don't understand something, I can put a question out there and literally within 3 or 4 hours, I'll have some good thoughts on how to fix the situation, or you know, they'll give me a thought that will let me look at it from a different angle. I did not think that Next Level Firms would be as much of a family as what it is. It's not really, I wouldn't say it's a community. I think it's more of a family because we're all sort of in this together, and we're not someone that or I'm not someone that usually will go out to ask a lot of questions. I want to have the answers, and the only reason I have the answers is because the School of Hard Knocks has pushed me around so much that I've learned quite a bit. I've told my wife, I don't know how many times, I've probably lost more money than what I've made, you know, because you just go through it and you learn from it. But you know, I feel like that Next Level Firms is that backup, that safety net.